Mix ingredients for cakes, brownies, cupcakes, and pancakes in the batter mixer and dispenser, and then dispense the batter into your favorite bakeware. The mixer works well for everything from crepe batter to brownie and cake mixes. It's your all-in-one solution for baking. The portion selector lets you choose the perfect amount of batter for your pan, and the trigger helps you dispense even thick batters. And the best part is you only have to clean one tool. Excellent for easily making cores and preparing stuffed zucchinis, potatoes, cucumbers, tough tomatoes, root vegetables, apples in a blanket, etc. With 3 sizes of cutting blades. Perfectly space-saving. Blades not in use can be stored inside the handle. This fun and easy-to-use gadget makes perfectly slicing strawberries easy as can be. Just drop a ripe strawberry into the opening and squeeze the handles. Use as toppings on a beautiful salad, add to your waffles for a tasty breakfast, or toss in a bright and healthy school lunch. Chef-end tools and gadgets are designed to be powerful in their simplicity. When crank the handle, the spring-loaded arm will automatically adjust the shape of the apple. Ultra-sharp stainless steel blades peeling the apple skin smoothly and fast. For suction cups, keep the apple peelers stable on clean and smooth countertop. The apple peeler only peel the skin off the apple, not the pulp. Victorinox 12-inch blade slicer knife. This Victorinox knife has a sanitary Fibrox handle to provide a slip-free grip even when wet. High-carbon stainless steel blade, conical ground for a wider breakpoint, ice-tempered to sustain sharpness. Blade stamped from cold-rolled steel, bolsterless edge for use of entire blade and ease of sharpening. Patented Fibrox handle is textured, slip-resistant and ergonomically designed for balance and comfort. Adjustable with thick blade slide mechanism. Cuts off in the kitchen knife a little head of cabbage spread type of 0 to 2.5 mm Cayabejera, set to plug the machine in the center of the cabbage, the center shaft shredded cabbage turning the handle. The Q&A can be shredded cabbage up cutlery slide mechanism. 5240 is upside down the whole cabbage to flatten the pour cut, plug it into the center shaft and turn the handle mounting. Onion holder sharp stitches prevent slippage and cut evenly for greater safety, and pin joints are sturdy and durable, not easy to fall off. The onion holder can also be used as a meat tenderizer. Long steel needle penetrates deeply into the meat to improve its taste. It is also easy to clean after use. Light in weight, everyone can use it for cooking. The onion holder for slicing save a lot of time for slicing or chopping onions. No more nasty cuts or using nails to hold onions. This garlic press takes the fuss out of garlic preparation. It can mince garlic so fast. Just by rocking the garlic press over any size of a garlic clove will get you perfectly minced garlic every time. Just rinse it under your faucet. Now you can enjoy the flavor and health benefits of garlic instantly without the hassle of messy cleanup. Keep the party going with the stainless steel buffet server and warming tray by Elite Platinum. A total of 3 brushed stainless steel 2.5 quart buffet trays and a flat 8-inch by 18-inch warming tray warm with d'oeuvre and other foods like fluffy mashed potatoes and rich, saucy gravy. Its clear dome lids have spoon cutouts for easy use. The base can be used as a warming tray, perfect for hors d'oeuvres. Dimensions measure 25 inches by 14.5 inches by 6 inches. The magnetic shelf is a great solution of space saving. Keep your home organized in an easy way. Save your precious countertop/cabinet space and keep them clear of clutter, especially for a small kitchen, apartment, or a limited space. The magnet rack is suitable for refrigerators, washing machines, filing cabinets, doors and other iron surfaces, supports up to 18 pounds, saving your space, suitable for spices, pepper, salt, sugar, jar of olive oil, cooking oils, pepper, or other small things, and keeping your home organized. The electric hand dishwasher is equipped with 2 flexible arms which wrap individually around the dishes and hold them. No rollers or brushes are attached to the arms. This allows the harness to rotate and be cleaned at the same time. There is a rubberized roller in the middle, which is motorized and ensures that the dishes rotate. Around it there is a flexible frame, which is also equipped with brushes and cleans the dishes from the other side. Ordwo's handles squeeze together for convenient and easy one-handed operation, as well as open apart for significantly increased output when operated with two hands. Ultra-sharp custom ceramic mechanism will never rust, and is fully adjustable with 6 grind settings from superfine to coarse, and can be used for grinding all types of spices and seeds. This amazing colander bowl is a great way to wash, store and serve fresh fruits and vegetables. Its dual layer and anti-spill design allows you to drain off water quickly and efficiently by leveraging vertical gravity force. The colander remains in a horizontal position even when you tilt the bowl, so the water can be drained out effectively, without spilling the contents in the strainer. The super-fast motor and sharpest steel blades break down the food completely, extracting all nutrients. When these juices are consumed, they help the body to absorb nutrients in the fruits and vegetables much better. Make healthy, tasty juices, smoothies, shakes with NutriBlend. The Go-Go Blender from Bennett Reed is designed for people on the go. Create smoothies in your 500 milliliters Go-Go Blender bottled blend and drink in the same bottle. New Line NY Stainless Steel Collection, excellent quality and designed for cutting or snipping herbs. Big time saver, 5 sets of high-quality stainless steel blades, 10 blades in all, cut your herbs 5 times faster. Perfect for chopping parsley, dill, basil, chives, sage, scallions, lettuce, mint, spice, oregano, etc. Ergonomic and comfortable, features large plastic handles with a silicone lining for a sure and safe grip, comes with a blade guard cleaner. The Smart Click Grease Drain Rack is a smart silicone container that solves several kitchen issues simultaneously. Its semicircular form fits onto pan wall. A firmly attached bowl with slotted bottom is intended for storing fried and stir-fried meat chunks, vegetables, bacon, and other products. This small accessory allows you to keep them warm without burning them. It also helps